So in this part, I'll be talking about more arrays that I haven't covered before. So to start off with, we'll do the single dimensional array. Now, single dimensional array is like, it's just a basic array that we did before. So int, we just declare a type on array, single dimensional array. And then, of course, if we want to declare the amount, we would just do this int. We can put a number, and then if we want to specify what's inside, just do this, and that would be our single dimensional array. A multi-dimensional array means it's an array of 2 or more. And then how these work is, so if actually let's just copy this, it's just going to be easier. There we go. So how you would do on a multi-dimensional array is to put a little comma here and here. Yeah. So now what we have is a 2x2 array. So if you think about a grid, it would look like this. So we would have one responding to 1 0, 2 0, then we would have 1 1. What? No. This would be 1 1, this would be 1 2, this would be 2 1, and this would be 2 2. So if we do console.writeLine, and we could just do multi-dimensional array, and we could do 0 1. Yeah, that's not the best way to print it, is it? But yeah, so that's kind of how it works. And then of course you can expand it into a 3-dimensional array. So a 3-dimensional array would be, so if you think of a 3D space, that would be our X, Y, and Z axis. So that would be like a cube shape of 3D, for instance. Now, the next type of arrays that I haven't covered is the jagged arrays. The jagged array. So a jagged array is an array of an array. So let me just explain how it works. So for the jagged array, we just put 2 array symbols. That's the jagged array. And of course we put the double, but here instead of specifying anything in them, we only put 1 box. So what this would mean is that our jagged array contains 5 int arrays. So how we would assign it is we could do something like this. So since we already have one single dimensional array here, we could put jagged array is equal to jagged array 0 is equal to single dimension array. And what that would mean is that if we were to call our jagged array 0, and then this would be any number between 0 and, well, between 0 and 4. So if we put, I don't know, let's just say 1 in here, and actually make a console.writeLine. Console.writeLine. There we go. Then this would print out this guy. Yep, there we go. That's because it's an array that stores arrays. And that's basically it for all of the arrays I have not mentioned before. They do come in handy a lot. I'm personally a big fan of jagged arrays because I use them a lot for my Unity programming. But yeah, that's the arrays video.